Welcome to the GS1 Australia online training tutorials. Online training in a flash. Supply chains are made up of items, shipments and locations and parties. To be efficient at managing our supply chains, we need to accurately maintain and share information about all of these with our supply chain partners, both up and down the chain. So that all partners understand and can use this information, we need to use common standards. The GS1 systems provide common, global standards for all of these. For example, traded items are identified using the GTIN or Global Trade Item Number. Shipments are identified using the SSCC or Serial Shipping Container Code. Similarly, locations and parties are identified using the GLN or Global Location Number. A Global Location Number, or GLN, is the GS1 key used to identify supply chain locations. Each GLN is unique worldwide and is a 13-digit fixed-length numeric field such as the one being displayed. GLNs improve the accuracy and efficiency of communication with trading partners. GLNs can be used to identify legal, operational or physical entities in our supply chains. The identification of these locations are the basis of effective traceability processes. Examples of these are warehouses, manufacturing plants, retail stores, hospitals and emergency departments, amongst many, many others. Each location is assigned a GLN by its owner using the GS1 company prefix assigned to them by GS1 Australia. This ensures that all locations have a globally unique identification number that can be used by all trading partners as a common language without the need for proprietary location IDs. Once a GLN has been allocated to a location, a range of location master data is linked to this unique ID and shared with trading partners. Some of this master data may include a location name, the physical address of the location and other operational details, including functional and contact information. The most important activity surrounding the use of GLNs is that once they have been assigned to locations and the relevant location master data has been linked to the GLN, this information, and any subsequent changes to it, needs to be effectively communicated throughout the supply chain. Up until now, this communication of GLN data has been managed through a collection of spreadsheets and manual processes. With GS1 LocateNet, we can now automate and standardize the accurate dissemination of this data and any changes to it, efficiently and in a timely manner. GS1 LocateNet provides a central directory service that holds and distributes GLN data needed in Australian supply chains. Now that we have our locations uniquely identified with GLNs and have shared location data with our trading partners, we can leverage this GS1 key in many business processes. For example, when sending an electronic purchase order, the issuer can identify a number of locations in the electronic message by simply including the GLN for each location. In a purchase order, GLNs may be used to identify the sender, the receiver, one or multiple ship-to locations, and a bill-to location, amongst others. The receiving party can automatically process the electronic message using the GLN as the key to access location master data in their internal systems. The issuer of the purchase order does not need to provide all of the details about each location, as this data has already been shared with the receiving party. In summary, efficient supply chain management requires trading partners to maintain and exchange accurate location master data using a common language for all locations in our supply chains. The GS1 key used to uniquely identify and link location master data to each location is a Global Location Number, or GLN. The use of GLNs enables trading partners to share location data that is globally unique, based on global GS1 standards, simple to implement, accurate and rules-based, recognised as best practice, and supported by a whole-of-industry directory service, GS1 LocateNet. Contact GS1 Australia to find out how your business can begin to leverage the many benefits of global location numbers.